Hello and Namaste. My name is Seema Shukla. I'm parents of Arav Naik, who is currently studying in Grade 1 Step-by-Step International School, Meet Baneshwar. While talking about Cambridge English for Kids, I believe that it is the most important for today's kids and for the upcoming generations. Cambridge offers comprehensive and engaging curriculum activities specifically designed for young learners.
Namaste, I am Saloni Bagaria, the Creative Head for Step-by-Step International School. We've been associated with LCCI Global Qualifications since 2 years. The most important change that I've seen in our students after collaborating with Cambridge is that they have become very interested in learning. We've always wanted to develop a culture where kids are interested to learn, and we can see that happening now, and we are very glad about it. One of the most important things that LCCI has provided us is with quality training. Our teachers are constantly supervised by LCCI and Cambridge, and we are being able to deliver very quality education to our kids. I'm looking forward to a great collaboration in the future as well. Thank you.